How can I identify if my GPS signal is being blocked or interfered with?
Welcome to this tutorial on how to identify if your GPS signal is being blocked or interfered with. In this video, we'll walk you through a series of steps to help you recognize the signs and symptoms of GPS signal issues, which can be caused by a variety of factors.
What are the common symptoms of GPS interference?
Loss of signal. Your GPS device loses its connection to satellites and cannot re-establish it. Inaccurate positioning. Your GPS device shows an incorrect location or provides inconsistent location updates. Slow updates. Your GPS device takes longer than usual to update your location or struggles to lock onto a position. Unusual behavior. Your GPS device displays erratic movements or jumps around the map.
How do I know if my GPS signal is being blocked?
Check for nearby electronic devices. Devices such as Wi-Fi routers, mobile phones, or other electronic devices can cause interference. Try turning off these devices or moving away from them to see if the issue persists. Test multiple GPS devices. If you have access to another GPS device, use it to determine if the issue is localized to a specific device or if it's a more widespread issue.
How can I determine if there's intentional interference?
Observe any patterns. If the interference occurs only in specific locations or at certain times, it could indicate intentional blocking. Take note of when and where you experience the issues. Check for GPS jammers. GPS jammers are illegal devices that can disrupt GPS signals. If you suspect someone is using a jammer, contact your local authorities to investigate the issue further.
What can I do to fix GPS signal issues?
Update your GPS device. Ensure your device has the latest firmware and software updates to improve its performance and minimize issues. Ensure a clear line of sight. Make sure your GPS device has a clear view of the sky, as obstructions like tall buildings or heavy foliage can block the signal. Invest in an external antenna. An external antenna can help to improve the GPS signal by increasing the device's reception capabilities. In summary, the key to identifying if your GPS signal is being blocked or interfered with is to look out for common symptoms, test multiple devices, and observe patterns. By following these steps, you should be able to determine if the issue is localized or more widespread and take appropriate measures to address the problem.